So yeah, the attempts to show you fox and cubs were a little bit mixed, shall we say. Uh, the hand lens doesn't seem to quite like it when the phone is pointed through it in a landscape fashion. But what I can do now is, if you're bored of fox and cubs already, what I'll do is I can show you some bamboo that we have in the garden, just over here. The bamboo, I believe this is called arrow bamboo. They're a rather tricky group of plants, I gather. I believe this species is from either Japan or Korea, not China. Some people think, you might think that, well, especially in relation to giant pandas, that bamboo is a solely Chinese thing. It's not. Yes, it's true, there are several species in China, but there's supposed to be even more in India as well, and of course Korea, Japan. I think there are some in Africa, and possibly South America too. They're quite a widespread group. Just going to see if how well this will look under the hand lens. Bear with me a second. So yeah, I mean, you can see the nice gloss to the leaves. Yeah, that's a bit better. Very, very fine and fibrous. And what I might just show you now is these knobbly structures here are called nodes, which I can't remember what they do now. I think judging from the branches that you see coming out of it, see how there's like leafy growths and branches coming out of it. I think that allows it to grow more branches. Same with here. Look, and it's quite hard. Some bamboos, I've seen bamboo species grow to the height of trees. When I was in Sierra Leone last year, there was a non-native species of bamboo there, which grew to, I don't know, maybe 10-20 meters high, and I think they were from the east of Asia somewhere. Certainly wasn't native to that part of the world, but you can sort of get a handle as to how they do so well. I don't know how well you can see this, guys, but when we first did this project, when we first planted them here, we actually spray painted some pandas on the back wall, because we believed it was a Chinese species, but the bamboo has largely grown over it. If I can just show the other one. There you go. I did some of that. Yeah, that was a project that me and my dad did several years ago, and the bamboo has covered it quite nicely. Makes it look like it's in its natural habitat, but I think if a bamboo expert came along and confirmed what I suspect to be the case, then I'm thinking, well, they would probably think that the joke is on us for planting a Japanese species of bamboo with pandas next to it, given that pandas don't live and have never lived in Japan.